Hi friends, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to find group-wise sum using Stream API in Java. I have taken some products in which each product has its own ID, product description, product category, product group and quantity, and I have divided the products into different categories like non-eatable, eatable and util, in which each of them belongs to each group A, B and C. In this section, I am going to find the sum of quantity for each group A, B and C using Stream API. Here you can see the sum of A group is 23, B group is 14 and C group is 21. Let's start the demo. I have already created a project named group sum, and now let's create a package for this. New package. Let's name it as com.product. Now we'll create a class, Java class. Let's name it as product. And for this class, we are going to create some instance variables. Let's minimize this. Okay, let's start. Private int id, private string product description, now private string product category, private string product group, and the last one is private int quantity. Let's create constructor. Constructor. So all parameters. Okay. Now generate setters and getters also. Next, we are going to create the main class. New class. Let's name it as product main. Now public static void main. I have created 10 objects and I'm copying this here and also converted this objects to an array list. Now let's perform group by sum. Product list dot stream dot collect of. Thus we convert the array list into stream and the result is collected into a collection. So I'm storing this result into a map instance, string comma integer with string as the key and integer as the value. Let's name it as result map. And let's import this package. Now I'm going to give the parameter inside this collect. So this collectors dot group by of the class name is product and get product group of. Next parameter is, let us do an enter, collectors dot summing int of, give the class name, double colon operator, get quantity. Let us know a little bit about this code. As I explained you before, product list.stream.collect is used to convert the array list to a stream and collects the result into a collection. Here I have used a map instance for that with key as a string type and value as the integer type. Now we have now in this collect we have one parameter and this group by has two parameters. We'll explain about group by. Group by is used to group objects by some property and store the results in a map instance, and this is similar to the SQL's group by clause. Now group by has two parameters in which the first parameter is also known as classification function and the second parameter is also known as downstream collector. And next we'll explain about the double colon operator. Double colon operator is also known as method reference operator, which is used to access the method of a class directly, and summing it is used to perform the sum operation. Like since our quantity is an int type, we have used this summing int. Likewise, we have other functions also, summing float, summing double, etc. This collector, which is a downstream collector, is applied to the results of the first collector, which is grouping by. This means in this project we have different groups A, B and C. So while performing this group by, we'll get different groups, and after that we'll do the group by sum. So we'll get the sum of quantity of each group. Let us print the result. Now we got the result as A equal to 23, B group equal to 14 and C group equal to 21. So this is using method reference operator. So let's give a title using method reference. Likewise, we can also perform the summing operation using lambda expression also. So using lambda expression. So let us copy this code. Here. Just align it. We'll give us result map 1, and here we have to modify as product lambda operator product dot get product group of, and here also we have to modify with lambda expression product lambda operator product dot get quantity. Let's print the result. Result map 1. Okay, let's run the code again. So we got the same result with lambda expression also. That's it about group wise sum. I hope you all understood the topic. I would like to share more about the Stream API in my coming videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.